Today I'll show you how to make a great garlic drink lemon that is very vitalizing. Hypotensive and cleansing vessel. He simply takes 4 to 5 lemons, 3 complete garlic bulbs. And you cut it all small, so cut the lemons small. Just in small cubes, and the whole dice then completely in the blender. Simply peel the garlic when it is still peel off. It is not bad because the whole is still completely sieved afterwards. Complete synonymous in the mixer pure, so the mixer then. It is intended with the lemons, cut lemons, and the complete 3 no garlic tubers. You then add water. Then support the whole. The whole can also take 2 to 3 minutes to complete all this. Infectious diseases. So in the end it looks like one. Often over. Dimensions. We send the whole thing in a pot. And do it. At about 60 to 70 degrees to curdle, so boil only, not properly cook. But just until it starts to smolder or ease, to bubble, and then turn off again. We also give the remaining water, which is left over from the 1 liter. Of course, the hardest of you do not have to boil it, you can do it directly. Then pour through the sieve. If we cook is this time just on first. As soon as it begins to simmer gently from the stove. The whole thing is beautiful, then through a sieve. Into another vessel. So we just end up. Liquid. Prices on the garlic. Have lemons mixture. Of course, if I'm too coarse, you can take a finer 7. And of course celebrating the song is all the less needed. Acetate and are then in the whole. Still left. So in the end result, what comes out of it? The rest. We tip away. So we only actually have an almost pure liquid. I would then always in small glass, so to speak. I prefer as plaster, but you can also take plastic bottles or something else in the way what you can screw at the end again. Allow to cool slightly before closing so that you do not close the warm liquid, and once it has cooled you can make the gliders. And keep cool in the fridge, so now you can drink a shot glass every day after or before dinner. As I said, it is very vitalizing, so the vessel's free to flush and the blood pressure lowering. The whole makes her ca. For 3 weeks, then you take a break for a week break and repeat that again for 3 weeks, so then you have the complete cure in principle completed after 7 weeks. Now I wish you a lot of fun while trying. Write me in my comments below that we like the video and you like it. Helped. How you liked it. Just write in. Let me do a thumbs up and if you feel like subscribing to my channel.
Damit ihr immer die neuesten Videos von mir bekommt. Danke, ciao.